Hello 11th standard business math students, welcome back to chapter 1 matrices and determinants. Today we are going to see the same result AB inverse equal to B inverse A inverse using our exercise 1.2 problem number 9. Okay, so for going to inverse we have got 4 steps, isn't it? First one, you have to find out determinant A not equal to 0, and second one is your cofactor Aij. Third step is adjoint A, and then the final step is the A inverse, which is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Okay, now before going into these steps, we have to find what is determinant A and what is determinant B. So determinant A multiplying the diagonal, 15 minus 14 equal to 1. Okay, not equal to 0. Similarly, determinant B multiplying the diagonal, you will get 54. Oh, sorry, we have this diagonal, isn't it? What is it? 6 nines are, sorry, 54 minus 56, that is equal to minus 2, not equal to 0. Okay, so this is our determinant A and determinant B. Since they are not equal to 0, non-singular, we can proceed with our 4 steps. So first we will start with our LHS. Okay, what is LHS? AB the whole inverse. Okay, so for that, first before going into inverse we have to find what is AB. Okay, what is A and B? A is 3, 7, 2, 5, and our B 6, 8, 7, 9. So we are going to multiply row with first column and similarly with second column, and you will get the answer. So 3 into 6. So first multiplying the first column. Okay, what will be your first column? 3 into 6, 18, plus 7 into 7, 49. Similarly, first row into the second column, 3 8s are 24, plus 7 9s are 63. Okay, now second row, first column, 2 6 are 12, plus 5 7s are 35. 2 8s are 16, plus 5 9s are 45. Now we are going to add this. When you add, you get here 49, 59 and 59, 67. Okay, 67. Similarly, second one, you get 60 plus 20, so 80, 87. 12 plus 35 will give you 47. And 16 plus 45, 55, 61. So this is going to be your AB. Now, after finding out AB, we have to find out determinant AB. What is determinant AB? So cross multiplying this, you will get 67 into 61 minus 87 into 47. 67 into 61 will give you 4087, and this will give you 4089. You can do the multiplication in your rough work. So this is equal to minus 2, that is not equal to 0, so we can proceed with our inverse. So the first step is over. This is our first step. Okay, now coming to the second step. Now since this is 2 cross 2 matrix, you are going to combine 2 plus 3 together, so directly you can get the adjoint for AB. Okay, what is adjoint AB? So you are going to just, what you are going to do, you are going to invert this element. So 61 comes here and 67 comes here, and just put a minus sign since both are in plus, so you put it in minus sign. So this is going to be your adjoint AB. Okay, now we are going to the fourth step. What is our fourth step? AB the whole inverse. What is our formula? 1 by determinant AB into adjoint AB. So 1 by determinant AB is 1 by minus 2 into our adjoint AB is 61 minus 87 minus 47 and 67. Now all are even odd numbers, so we cannot divide it by 2. So just we'll take the sign alone inside. You will get 1 by 2 into minus 61 plus 87. Similarly, plus 47 and minus 67. This is going to be our LHS AB inverse. So you can write it here as AB the whole inverse. This is one. Now we are finished with LHS. Next we are going to RHS. What is RHS? B inverse, A inverse. So first we are going to find out B inverse. For the first step, determinant B, we have already found out the values here. So determinant B equal to -2, you can write as it is. And now we are going to go to second plus third step, adjoint B, isn't it? So this B you can directly do it as 6, 8, 7, 9. Your B is 6, 8, 7, 9, and when adjoint you are just going to invert. So 9, 6, -8, -7 is going to be your adjoint B. Now coming to fourth step, B inverse will give you 1 by determinant B into adjoint B. That is equal to 1 by determinant B is 1 by -2 into 9, -8, -7 and 6. This is minus, okay, -8. So this will be as it is. Now go to A inverse. For A inverse we have got determinant A. Already we have calculated determinant A, that is equal to 1. And 2 plus 3. Adjoint A we are going to do. What is A? A is actually 3, 7, 2, 5. 3, 7, 2, 5. So from this you get adjoint A, 3, 7, 2, 5. Okay. From this you get adjoint B. So you just invert these two elements. So here you will get 5, here you will get 3, and here just change the sign alone. This is going to be your adjoint A. Now A inverse, fourth step, A inverse 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So 1 by determinant A is 1 and your adjoint A is 5, -7, -2 and 3. Now you are going to put B inverse into A inverse. That will be 1 by -2 into 9, -8, -7, 6 into 1 by 1 give you 1. So you can directly write the matrix alone. 5, -7, -2 and -3. Now multiply the first row with the first column and the second column. So what will you get? You place this 1 by -2 as it is, open the bracket. So 9 into 5 we are going to get 45, minus it minus plus 60. Similarly here minus 63 and minus 24. Now coming to the second row, minus 7 into 5 is going to be minus 35, minus 12. Similarly the second column, it is going to be 49 plus 80. Close the bracket. Now 1 by -2, when you add these two you will get 61 minus 87 minus 47 and 67. Now you cannot divide here, so you take the minus sign alone. 1 by 2 into, you will get minus 61 plus 87 plus 47 and minus 67. This is going to be 2. Now when you compare 1 and 2, minus 61, 87, 47, minus 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, we get LHS equal to RHS equal to, what is our value? 1 by 2 into minus 61, 87, 47, minus 67. Therefore, AB, the whole inverse equal to B inverse A inverse is verified, is your final answer. Thank you.